Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And on today's YouTube episode, I've got the Sony Bluetooth speaker. You know, the extra bass one? Yep, it's the SRS XB20. It's Bluetooth. It has the light, strobe DJ light. And it has water resistant IPX5 water resistant wireless party chain, meaning that other people could request a song with their cell phone. It does speakerphone, voice adjust function. It does speaker add function, which if you buy another one of these bad boys, you could connect it together and have left and right speaker, so you can have two. And the battery life, I've never seen a Bluetooth speaker that lasts this long. It says it does 12 hours long battery life. And then micro USB charges with most USB power sources. And it comes with LDAC. It has Clear Audio Plus, S Master Digital Amplifier, DSEE, extra bass, and it comes with a software or an app called SongPal, and you can download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. And it's also compatible with most tablets, Android tablets, made for iPod and iPhones, you know. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing, shall we? Let's crack this thing open and see what we got. Alright, the first thing we see here is, this is like the manual that tells you everything and the connections and all that. Put that to the side. Next thing we have here is, oh, this is like the software, this is like the manual, I guess, for the app. It tells you how to get the app on your phone and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the manual to connect to the laptop. Wow, I guess you could charge it through your laptop too. Here is the, I guess this is the warranty if I'm not mistaken. Yep, this is the warranty. And here's the micro USB cable. Here's the, there's the speaker. Oh, here's the warranty. It's a 1-year warranty, video and audio. And there's really nothing else in here. And here we go. There it is in all its glory. You got the extra bass button, the battery button, the phone call button to play pause, the add left to add another speaker, one of these, the volume knobs, which are rubberized, and everything's rubberized. How nice. And here's where the lights are, by the way, party lights. And then you can control the lights with your phone through the app. You can control the different colors of the lights and everything. Here's the on and off switch. And oh, here on the side here, on this compartment, here's where you would connect the micro SD, the micro USB cable. And there's the audio 3.5mm jack to connect your iPods or your DJ connections and whatnot. Well, not really DJ connections, but a 3.5mm jack cable. Here's, I guess, the bass, subwoofer bass or whatever. And this comes built in with Google Assistant. So basically, you press this button for the Google Assistant. And so yeah, that's basically everything, guys. And yeah, that's everything over there. So guys, thank you for watching this YouTube episode of the unboxing of the Sony Extra Bass SRS XB20. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.